how to archive a post on Facebook. So if you want to send one of your posts on Facebook to archive, it's real easy to do. So go to your Facebook, go to the menu button at the bottom right hand corner here, and then go ahead to your profile by clicking your name. And you just scroll down until you find a post that you want to archive. I'm just going to choose this one here. And so when you're on the post, go to the three dots at the top right hand corner of that post. And then you'll get some options here and go ahead and say move to archive. Go ahead and click that. And now it's been moved. It's been taken off. So to go check those, go to the menu button at the bottom right hand corner again, back out of your profile and go find your settings and privacy. Go to settings. And then what you can do here is scroll down until you see activity log. And then from here, go ahead and click archive and you'll find your archive post there. And that's it.